Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. I got something from Lululemon and I wanted to share it with you. So let's open up the package. So guys, you probably guessed by now, it is the Everywhere Belt Bag. And I got it in pastel pink. So everybody's talking about this bag and I wanted to see for myself whether it's such a good bag for any occasion like working out or going on a walk. I go on these long walks and I'm always looking for something to fit my keys, my phone, and a bottle of water. That's what I typically bring on my walks. I heard some of the reviews mention that it does fit a bottle of water, so I was really curious about that, and the price is great on this bag. It's $38 plus tax. I was actually able to buy it online on Lululemon website. They do typically sell out pretty fast, but if you're stuck their website for a bit, you should be able to find one. They come in many different colors, and when I saw it online, it was around maybe 1 or 2 p.m. So they were pretty much available for a few hours before they completely sold out. So if you have dedication, if you really want one of these, I would suggest checking the website periodically, and they do become available and it's pretty possible to get a hold of one. So let me take the paper off. And so the buckle is plastic, and this is what it looks like. It's pretty lightweight. It opens and closes pretty easily, and then you can adjust the length. Right now it's at the longest setting, but you just thread it and pull on this end, and it has these elastic bands that hold it in place. So that's how you adjust it. And the zipper pull is metal, and then there's this rubber logo tab that says Lululemon on it, and the zipper itself is plastic. It opens and closes pretty smoothly. As you can see, the zipper is smooth, so that's nice. There's one pocket on the back. And then let's see what's inside. There's a Lululemon logo. And there's one mesh pocket on this side. And then 2 mesh pockets on this side. And the main compartment. So this is pretty much it. And guys, I wanted to show you the tag. It says Everywhere Belt Bag. Phone, keys, wallet, keep them close in this versatile belt bag that helps you get out of the door and onto your next adventure. On the side it says fabric is water repellent, updated longer length strap, exterior zipper pocket to secure your valuables, interior pockets hold the essentials. There are dimensions of this bag, and the volume is 1 liter. And another thing I noticed, you know how I told you guys it was $38 plus tax? For some reason here on the actual tag it says $44, but online they have them listed at $38, and that's what I paid, $38 plus tax. But on this tag, as you can see, this is what they have for a price. So I'm not sure if they are trying to do a price increase in the near future, and that's why they have these labeled as $44. But as of right now, as of the time of my purchase, which was a couple days ago, it was still $38. So I'm gonna show you guys some mud shots with this bag on and what it looks like. You can wear it around your waist, you can wear it over the shoulder, and so let's see how that looks. So guys, this is what the bag looks like worn crossbody. And now I put it on my waist and let's adjust it. Trying to not make it too tight, but just sit comfortably around my waist. And then this is how much extra length I have around here. So this is where it ends up being. So I use these elastic tabs to hold it in place. So I put them right around here. And now, as you can see, I can wear it as a belt bag. So obviously you can adjust it to sit higher on your waist, or you can adjust it to the looser setting. To sit lower on your hip area. So now it's sitting a bit lower. So it will depend on which look you like the best, what's more comfortable to you. You can make all these adjustments. That's kind of the good thing about this bag, is that you can wear it in multiple ways. So now let's see what fits inside. So going to a typical walk, or maybe like a grocery store run or some kind of errand, what I would bring. So let's start with my wallet, which I would use something like a card case and not a full-size wallet, just to have more room. So I would put my card case here. This is so pretty, it goes so well together, the colors, because my Louis Vuitton card holder is also pink on the inside, so it kind of goes pretty well with this. So let's put it here in this pocket. Then I would bring my AirPods, so I can put them in one of the smaller pockets here. Then I would put my car keys, although when I go for a walk I don't bring my car keys, but just to show you that it does fit, let's put car keys here. And then I'll put my phone, and actually I think I should put my phone in this pocket here for easy access. So for size, this is iPhone 6 and I'm filming on my iPhone XS. Both of them fit. I think even a larger size, like a Pro Max or something like that, would fit here as well. So let's put the phone here, zip it up, and now it's time for the ultimate test. Does it fit a water bottle? And it seems like it doesn't really fit a water bottle. Okay, let me pull out my keys and my AirPods, and I'm gonna put the water bottle. Okay, so it worked for other people. I'm not sure why it doesn't fit for me. Maybe because this is the newest model. I just got it on the website, and I mean, you can kind of accept that this fits. Not entirely. I wouldn't be able to close it all the way. Maybe if I didn't have my phone here, as you can see, it kind of stretches it a little bit. Maybe if I take my phone out, maybe then it will close. That's what the issue was. I took the phone out of this pocket, and now the water bottle fits. So here you go. So in this case, it fits your water bottle, your phone in the back pocket, and you have your key in there. So I think it would be perfect for going on a walk, running a quick errand, going to the gym. I'm sure it would fit a couple of cards here, or the slim wallet would probably still fit with everything in it. And of course, if you don't need to bring a water bottle, then it's even better, and all your necessities will fit in there. So now I'm showing you guys this bag in daylight. You can see how pretty this pink is. I really like this color. They come in multiple different colors, but this one is by far my favorite. So guys, overall, I think it's a really nice bag. You get a lot for your money. $38, I think it's a pretty good deal for it. I've been looking for something like this to take on my walks, and I think this will serve me really well. It's very lightweight, and it looks like it's pretty good quality for what it is. It fits a lot, and it sits pretty comfortably both on my waist and hip and across bodies. Obviously, I just got it and I haven't really worn it out yet. I think I will really enjoy it, and I do recommend getting it for any of you guys that want something like this to run errands, or if you like to jog, or if you like to go for walks or workouts and you don't want to bring an actual gym bag, having to get a locker. And sometimes at some gyms I've been told that the lockers can get broken into. So if you don't want to think about any of this and you just want something easy, something light to stay on your body while you work out, I think this is a perfect bag. Everybody is talking about how hard it is to get it, but I found it pretty easy to get. Yes, they sell out on the website pretty fast, but if you are determined, you can just go on the website, try checking it in the morning, in the early afternoon, and they do restock them pretty often. I want to say from the time that I decided to get one to actually being able to place my order, I think it was only like 2 or 3 days. And it was actually available that day in multiple different colors. They had black one, they had brown, dark red, and green, and I believe yellow. Oh, and white, which they call opal white. So I could pick any of these colors. So I kept refreshing the page and trying to see how long it takes to sell out. It was available for several hours, so I think everybody who wanted one can get one. I picked this color because I wear a lot of black, and I think it would even go with a lot of other colors that I do wear. There's the silver logo here, and then this tab. So just to show you a little bit closer the details of this bag. And this zipper pull is super cute. So yeah, all in all, I'm pretty happy with this purchase, and I recommend this bag to all of you guys. Please hit a like if you enjoyed this video and consider subscribing. I appreciate you guys. I'm trying to grow my channel. I'm still pretty new, and I appreciate every single one of you that subscribes to my channel. So please do, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye bye.